Hi, fellow adventure seekers. Sweden, a land of breathtaking beauty and rich cultural heritage. In this Nordic country, you'll discover an incredible variety of landscapes, from serene archipelagos to bustling cities. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Stockholm or the untouched wilderness of Abisko, every corner of Sweden offers something unique. Here, every journey becomes an adventure, and every adventure adds to the rich tapestry of this remarkable nation. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a culture connoisseur, Sweden has something to offer every traveler. Here's a closer look at the best places to visit in Sweden. Number 14. Stockholm, the capital city of Sweden. Stockholm is a stunning archipelago of 14 islands connected by over 50 bridges. It seamlessly blends historical charm with modern sophistication, featuring attractions like the Royal Palace, the Vasa Museum, and the trendy district of Södermalm. Whether you're exploring the medieval streets of Gamla stan or cruising the waterways, Stockholm's unique beauty will captivate you. Number 13. Gothenburg. Gothenburg, Sweden's second-largest city, is known for its friendly atmosphere and maritime heritage. Enjoy a stroll along the picturesque canals, visit the world-renowned Liseberg amusement park, or explore the Universium Science Center. The city's vibrant food scene, with its fresh seafood and innovative cuisine, makes it a must-visit for food lovers. Number 12. Helsingborg. Tucked by the Öresund Strait, Helsingborg offers a delightful mix of history and coastal charm. Visit the medieval Kärnan Tower for panoramic views, explore the beautiful Sofiero Palace and gardens, and wander through the quaint streets of the city center. Helsingborg's scenic waterfront and rich history make it a perfect destination for a relaxing getaway. Number 11. Malmö. A vibrant and multicultural city in southern Sweden, is known for its modern architecture and green spaces. Discover the iconic Turning Torso skyscraper, relax in the serene Kungsparken, and explore the historic Malmö Castle. The city's diverse culinary scene and lively cultural events add to its appeal, making it a dynamic destination. Number 10. Uppsala. Uppsala, a historic city just north of Stockholm, is home to Sweden's oldest university and a wealth of cultural treasures. Visit the stunning Uppsala Cathedral, explore the fascinating Gustavianum Museum, and stroll through the beautiful botanical garden. Uppsala's blend of academic excellence and historical significance makes it a unique and enriching destination. Number 9. Linköping. Linköping, a city steeped in history and innovation, offers a range of attractions for visitors. Explore the open-air museum at Gamla Linköping, visit the impressive Linköping Cathedral, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the city center. With its rich cultural heritage and modern amenities, Linköping is a city that effortlessly combines the old and the new. Number 8. Örebro. A charming city in central Sweden, is known for its stunning castle and beautiful parks. Wander through the historic Wadköping district, relax in the lush surroundings of Stadsparken, and explore the impressive Örebro Castle. The city's cultural festivals and events add to its vibrant atmosphere, making it a delightful destination for all. Number 7. Visby. The medieval gem of Gotland is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved city walls and cobblestone streets. Explore the fascinating ruins of St. Mary's Cathedral, visit the Gotland Museum, and enjoy the stunning views from the city's ancient walls. Visby's unique blend of history and charm makes it a must-visit destination. Number 6. Gotland. Sweden's largest island, is a haven of natural beauty and historical sites. Discover the ancient rock formations at Raukfältet, explore the picturesque fishing villages, and relax on the island's pristine beaches. Gotland's rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes make it an ideal destination for a tranquil escape. Number 5. Drottningholm Palace. A UNESCO World Heritage Site and the residence of the Swedish royal family, is a magnificent example of Baroque architecture. Wander through the beautifully landscaped gardens, explore the opulent palace interiors, and visit the unique Chinese pavilion. A visit to Drottningholm Palace offers a glimpse into Sweden's royal history and grandeur. Number 4. Gamla stan. The old town of Stockholm is a captivating area of narrow, winding streets and colorful buildings. Visit the historic Storkyrkan Cathedral, explore the Royal Palace, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of Stortorget Square. With its charming shops, cafes, and museums, Gamla stan is a delightful place to experience the heart of Stockholm's history. Number 3. West Coast, Sweden. The west coast of Sweden, known for its rugged beauty and picturesque archipelagos, is a paradise for nature lovers. Explore the charming coastal villages, enjoy fresh seafood in local restaurants, and take a boat trip to the stunning Kosterhavet Marine National Park. The West Coast's breathtaking landscapes and serene atmosphere make it an unforgettable destination. Number 2. Ice Hotel Sweden. The Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi, northern Sweden, is a unique and enchanting experience. Constructed entirely of ice and snow, this ephemeral hotel offers guests the chance to sleep in beautifully sculpted ice rooms. Enjoy activities like ice sculpting, dog sledding, and witnessing the magical northern lights, making it a truly once-in-a-lifetime experience. Number 1. Abisko National Park. Abisko National Park, located in Swedish Lapland, is a natural wonderland known for its stunning landscapes and the Aurora Sky Station. Hike through pristine wilderness, marvel at the dramatic scenery of Laporten, and experience the beauty of the Northern Lights. Abisko's untouched beauty and unique natural phenomena make it a top destination for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. These 14 destinations weave a vivid tapestry of experiences, showcasing the extraordinary diversity that Sweden has to offer. It's a land where each corner tells a unique story, from the medieval charm of Visby to the futuristic allure of the Ice Hotel. Whether you crave the majesty of natural beauty, the thrill of adventure, a deep dive into culture, or serene relaxation, Sweden has it all. So, pack your bags and embark on an exhilarating journey to uncover the vast and enchanting wonders this remarkable country has to offer. Adventure awaits, and Sweden is your canvas. Feel free to share this along to a fellow adventure seeker. Your likes are invaluable as they help amplify our message, making it visible to more fellow explorers. Until then, see you at the next destination.